Okay, so here is a breakdown of today's look. I've got mirrors so you can hopefully see what's going on all over the place. I'll start by undoing it first and then go from there. So the tail and this tail. And there's the clasp. It's super pretty. I love it. I'm not going to untie the whole thing, but I will show you the back. And with that, so it's the extra long in the heather gray, and I tied that one, and then like Andrea does with her two scarf ones. And what I do, actually I'll pull that back, is when I tie these, I tie them up over my ear and then put that one there because I can push it back over so part of my ears are showing, because I live places where there are gnats and I hate that sound near my ears. And also my glasses hurt my ears, so it's over and between the scarves. So what I do, see how that starts. So I take the ends here and flatten them out and go up on the Wendy, how you see in the back. And then kind of twist it to give it a little more. Get it in. There you go. And then there's all that tucking and fun stuff going on. And then figure out where you want that and put it through. Yeah. And then take your other tail, which I think I kind of twisted it the last time. And then put that also through. There we go. And kind of pull that kind of tight so it doesn't slip around on you. And another reason that I love the extra long t-shirt is plenty of fabric to tuck those little tails in. There. And there. And take that one and come over here. Over here. And tack it all up. It's sitting a little differently because I did it a little bit tighter than I did this morning, but there you go. Or you can try tucking it under. You can tuck it in there or tuck it up under itself to give this a little more. And pull that back down and goober with that a little bit. Came out much neater looking this morning, but that's what I did to do that whole look, and that's what it looks like in the back. This side was obviously a little bit less goofy this morning, but and that's how we did that. Thanks, ladies. Enjoy. Have fun.